Welcome back, guys, to another Gdevelop video where today I'm going to show you how to make circle movement. As you see, this square right here goes in a circle. I'm going to show you how to do that today. Okay, so let's go ahead and create some lines of code, 2 of them. That's all we'll need. Then let's add the condition once. Then we're going to create 2 object variables. We're using number variables. We're going to go ahead and use speed and size. We're going to set speed to 5. We're going to then go ahead and create size, and we're going to set that to 200 pixels. So it means it will go in a very small circle of 200 pixels. And the speed will basically be how fast it goes around in a circle. Then we're going to create a condition, square. We're then going to go ahead and look for a variable, an object variable. We're going to be using angle. Then we're going to do less or equal to. Then we're going to do 360 divided by a object variable of number variable, a square, and we're going to be using speed, the speed that we just created, speed variable. As you see, it's dividing it by the speed, so the speed will affect everything, so we gotta keep that in mind. And basically what this condition will do is this condition will make it so that this line of code will only activate 360 times divided by the speed. Yep, so it will make it so that the square will go, as you see, the square will go in a 360. Now right now it's not going to work because we didn't add the code to move it. So we need to add a force at an angle, make sure it's the angle one. And then we want to add a object variable, number variable, square. Basically we're going to use angle. And then we're going to times it by speed variable. You just have to change this part right here. And then we want to paste that whole thing in here. And then we want to change angle to size. And as you see, we have angle times speed, size times speed. So they're both times speed. And now we want to copy and paste this and change it to angle. We want to set it to add 1 each time. And there we go. Your code should be finished. It will go in a circle at 5 speed. Now you can change the speed and make it go slower. As you see, it will go slower. You can also change the size of the circle to make it less. A really small circle movement. Yep. Now, if we wanted to reverse the movement, we just had to put negatives in both of these lines up here. Yep, put negatives above them, like that. So now we have negative here on the add to force angle. And now it should go the opposite way. As you see, it's going in a reverse circle. Interesting enough, you can just put a negative in just one of these, and it will now do something different. As you see, it will now go upward in a circle instead of downward like it's been doing the entire time. And if you want to reverse that, you just have to get rid of one of the negatives and put a negative in the other one. The degrees in length, the angle. And as you see, it would do the reverse circle up here. Wonderful.